We are at Bill Lomas Motorcycles and Lomos Café. Sorry, Lomos Café.
He put you off there, didn't he?
It did, yeah. Sound of motorcycles, it just happens, doesn't it?
How come I'm parked up the road and you're parked all the way down here?
I managed to sneak mine in, didn't I?
You nazzled the last spot, didn't you?
Yeah.
Anyway, shall we go in, take a look?
Get a cup of coffee.
A sandwich?
Oh, possibly.
Stuck in a little sort of corner here, isn't it?
Yeah, proper little residential street. But
yeah, it is, yeah.
Not much parking, but what a little gem. Yeah, absolute little gem.
Due to this cafe, it's got a showroom and...
Showroom, bikes for sale and a bit of a museum, I think. I don't think all of them are for sale. Some of them is a bit of a collection.
Here we've got a NS400R. Got some wonderful bikes in here, Carol.
The size of that Suzuki there.
Well, the Kettles. There's two Kettles there. I mean, 11 grand, that's good money, but...
Quite like the Kawasaki.
Oh, it's in your colour, isn't it?
Yeah, it's probably a bit pink for me, but it's...
No, it's a bit pinky, isn't it?
But it's quite nice.
Yeah, it's got some nice expansion chambers on it, hasn't
They look really, I mean, they're so clean and...
Yeah, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. It's our kind of shop, this, isn't it?
Just a bit. Nice coffee, decent sausage sandwich.
How did you find out about this place then, Carol?
I saw a little video on Facebook of Dave the sidecar dog coming here.
Ah, right, okay.
So
we blame Dave the sidecar
dog for coming here and showing us that this existed, yes.
The original Widowmakers, I think. And see, it's got a steering damper on, and I think you needed
Probably
them.
need that, yeah.
Yeah, because that power comes in very quickly. There's another 750 behind it, Mark IV.
Interesting what there says, welcome to Bill Lomas Motorcycles. We are one of the oldest surviving and longest running motorcycle shops in the UK.
Yeah, started in 1930s by Harry Lomas, Bill's father, who was an ex-Rolls-Royce man. Meticulous attention to detail. Bill Lomas was a road racer.
I think he won the TT.
Cadwell champion in 1949. Yeah, three lovely Kawasaki's there. I mean, they're up for good money, mine.
Yeah.
But they look good, don't they?
They do look good.
Just when you think these RE5s are really rare,
We've seen another one.
We've seen loads of them just lately, haven't we? Absolutely loads with the rotary engines. Do not touch. Well, we won't touch. They've got some Kawasaki's in here, haven't they? Kawasaki two-strokes, and we love two-strokes. There's a triple 500 here. Well, if you got like 15 or 18 grand to spend on a bike, you'd have to consider a classic bike, wouldn't you?
Yeah, well, you wouldn't lose any money on it, would you? It'd just keep its value, wouldn't it?
Yeah, so, as long as you look after them. Moto Guzzi Le Mans 850. Was there packed in a bit tight here?
You can't get around it.
There's a Honda CB360 there. Bike is only original once. It's rather wonderful. Honda CB360 retains much of its magical original quality. It's good. It's really good. Ducati 860 there. Some absolutely gorgeous machines in here. There's another Kettles there. And it's 11.5 grand.
There definitely seems to be a bit of a theme on what's in here. It's not an eclectic mix.
People love to own Kettles,
yeah.
don't they? I mean, in fact, there's not just one of them. another one, and another one. There's more here than I've seen at the Classic Bike Show. Isn't this what he's supposed to look like when he's finished rebuilding it?
Is that what he's building?
I'm not sure whether it's a 754 or 404. It might be a 400.
I don't know.
Can't remember. How do you think you'd cope with hand gear changes?
Oh, crikey, how's that work then? That's the gear change there?
Yeah, I think so.
So you've got to take your hand off there to gear change?
Yeah. Nice wide seat for your bum though.
Yeah, it looks quite comfy. Big springs under it.
Is it a solid back end? It's a solid back end though.
Yeah.
It's actually got no...
So you'd probably want the springs on the seat because that doesn't actually have any give in it, does it?
Yeah.
It's an AJS. Looks like it's a race bike because it's got a...
AJS?
Yeah.
It is, yeah. AJS.
Not sure what the big orange plastic thing is.
It's stopping stuff going in the carburettor.
Oh, right, okay.
It's just bunging up the carb at the moment. Just met two subscribers, very nice. Spotted us in a different video. So here we've got a Suzuki, I think that's a GS 750 there. They went a bit under the radar, but solid, great machine. I think just slightly overshadowed by the Kawasaki Z1 at the time. But in front of it, another Suzuki Ram Air GT 380. We've got something here with
It's like the
two catch trays.
The
I think it runs out the bottom and you pour it back in.
Because it's recycling technique, is it?
Yeah, recycling. Matchless.
It's like at the National Motorcycle Museum, they've all got those, haven't they?
They have, yeah, you walk around
every
all the way
bike's
in there,
got them underneath.
there's trays underneath, yeah. I mean, it's a beautiful BSA. Does that just not look original? It looks like it's not even been properly cleaned, but it looks beautiful, in my opinion.
Yeah, proper original that, isn't it? Sort of thing you hope to find in a garage somewhere one day, don't you?
Yeah. And you can have a T-shirt. You can have a Bill Lomas T-shirt. Look at all his winning trophies up here. Look as well. Obviously, the do spares. It's a working shop here. We buy and sell motorcycles. Over this side here, we've got a Suzuki. Is that a Suzuki 350? It is, isn't it? This place is full of two-strokes, Carol.
Yeah.
GT 250 there. That's the predecessor to the Suzuki X7.
Nice old pictures up there as well.
Oh.
The
Wonderful.
shop was just on the corner of the street there.
Wonderful original shop.
Yeah.
A very rare scooter.
A great picture on the wall there. Belgian Grand Prix 1956. Look. 28 Bill Lomas and Guzzi. V8 Lee's 26 Armstrong Galera 4.
Wow.
That's a great picture, isn't it?
It is, yeah. What a wonderful shop you've got here. I hope you don't mind us coming round with that camera, but
camera away.
Yeah.
Perfectly fine.
So you mechanic and waiter part-time then?
Oh, I'm just amazed at your talents. You know, 1 minute you're delivering a coffee, the next minute you're in the heart of a two-stroke.
You see, the old multitasking, even I can do that sort of.
It's a fabulous
it's a
place.
fabulous place.
You close on Sundays though, don't you? So you get a day off.
Until Easter, and then we're open as well.
Oh, are you? So in the summer you'll be open on Sundays as well then?
Yeah.
Ah, right.
17, my dad gave me one of those. So,
Talking to the owners, that isn't for sale. That's got a lot of sentimental value because that was his bike. And I think it's the AGS over there as well, behind the sofa.
He's keeping that and he's keeping
not for
that.
sale. And that. But when I said everything's for sale at a price, he says
No, you wouldn't sell it,
and
which is
quite
good.
right.
Quite right, yes. Some things have more value than money, don't
They
they?
do, yeah, they do.
Sausage and mushroom sandwich.
Or can I have sausage and mushroom as well? Do they do an egg in it as well?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll have an egg in there as well.
Sausage, mushroom and egg
Yeah,
in a sandwich.
yeah.
Two sausage, egg and mushroom sandwiches, please.
There was a different sausage choice, is there?
Yes, different sausage choice. I went for caramelised onion sausage.
Really?
Or you could have a spicy sausage if you wanted, but I thought it wouldn't go with me
I'm not
egg
sure
and
I like this
mushroom.
spicy
So
sausage,
no,
do you?
so I went for caramelised onion. But
How many copies of Ride magazine have you got there, eh?
you could sit here all day, couldn't you? Thank you very much. Cheers.
They look nice. In glass cups.
Yeah,
That's really nice, Cal. Really nice.
I'm not so in the
Got a
oil.
proper coffee machine here.
Proper coffee machine. Yeah, it takes a little while, but it's worth it. Could be messy.
Go on then, lift the lid so we can see what we got in there then.
Sausage, egg and mushroom.
Sausage, egg and mushroom.
Now brown sauce.
Brown sauce. We'll tell you what it tastes like shortly. Well, Carol, what do you think of that?
Really good quality.
That was
top
quality.
notch. Yeah.
Bread was beautiful.
Yeah.
Sausages,
It was
proper
really,
nice.
really nice. Better
Yeah.
than most biker cafes, I'll tell you.
Highly recommend.
Yeah.
No, we like this place. Call in if you've got a chance. Clay Cross, Derbyshire.
I love the place.
I think it's a terrific
It's
place.
a really nice place run by bike
Really nice
enthusiast and somebody, really nice quality food and coffee
Yeah.
as well. So
Yeah.
can't fault it.
Yeah.
I thought we'd struggle to park, but actually it wasn't a
No,
problem.
you can get in
It
the
was
streets
fine.
around,
yeah,
can't you?
Yeah, it was all good. So, yeah, really enjoyable.
Highly recommended.
Yeah.
Right, we're going to go and have a bit of a ride in the gorgeous Derbyshire countryside.
Yes.
Thanks a lot for watching.
Catch you on the next one.
Catch you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.